You can have the best speech in the world, but if your body is sending the wrong signal, your audience will never believe in you. Most people lose their credibility in the first 30 seconds without saying a word. Today, I am breaking down the 5 body language mistakes that are killing your authority. I'll show you in this video exactly how to fix them. Mistake number 1 is hiding your hands. Evolutionarily or biologically over time, we don't trust people when we cannot see their hands. We feel uneasy when people hide their hands. It signals that you are hiding something or that you are deeply insecure. The fix for this is keep your hands visible in the strike zone, that is between your waist and your chest. This makes you look open, honest, and ready to lead. Number 2 is the fig leaf posture. This is your defensive posture. You are literally guarding your vitals. In some way, you tell the audience you feel attacked by their presence. The fix for this is let your arms hang naturally at your sides or use open palm gesture. Openness equals confidence. Mistake number 3, wobble head or excessive nodding. While a little nodding shows you are listening, doing it too much makes you look like a people pleaser who is desperate for approval. The fix for this is use the power of stillness. Keep your head steady. 1 or 2 slow deliberate nods are far more powerful than the 10 fast ones. Number 4 is eye darting. When your eyes move quickly around the room, it's a biological sign of a predator versus prey response. It shows you are looking for an exit. The fix for this is remember 2-second rule we discussed earlier. Pick one person, finish your thought, then move on it. It grounds you and calms your nervous system. Finally, mistake 5, the energy leak or self-soothing gestures. When you are nervous, our brain tries to calm us down through self-soothing gestures, like touching your neck, fidgeting with your watch, or fixing your hair. These are the signals to the audience that you are uncomfortable. It pulls their focus away from your message onto your anxiety. The fix for this is don't let your nervous energy leak out in small, weak ways. Instead, channel it. If you feel that the surge of energy, use it to power a deliberate outward gesture that emphasizes your point. And when you aren't gesturing, be perfectly still. In the world of psychology, stillness is high status signal. It shows you are comfortable in your own skin. Remember, you are either moving with purpose or you are not moving at all. There is no in between. Public speaking is a physical sport. When your body and your voice align, that's when you become unstoppable. Which of these 5 are you guilty of? Let me know in the comment below. I am responding to everyone today. Don't forget to subscribe for a deep dive videos on my vocal tonality. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.